Hi guys.
So we're back from the durian catastrophe.
Reactions. I did not like it. I mean, the smell was horrible. The taste was fine. It was pretty sweet for my first time.
Well, obviously it's sweet for the waffer, but stinks. Okay.
So more snacks.
Time to get fat.
Wangchangdu. Wangchangdu.
Okay.
Why is it wet?
I don't know. Oh, because of this.
Oh. You gotta put that in the microwave.
Obviously. We're gonna...
Ginkgo nuts. We don't know what ginkgo is. But it has taro, my favorite.
And there's nuts.
Caramel, choco, something.
And lentil.
Whatever the hell that
lentil
is.
manok, which is like
Fried chicken?
fried chicken maybe, or I don't know.
Probably. This is from the Philippines. So maybe like a Filipino flavor.
All right.
We'll
Which
put
one?
that in the microwave and we'll try the chips first. Well, that's microwaving.
Yeah.
Alright. Pick one. Alright, so we're going this order. So we'll try the lechong manok flavor first.
That's a chicken with a. Oh. Okay. We're gonna get in.
Yeah.
Get it in. It smells like chicken.
Smells like Carmen's armpits.
How the hell do you know that?
Ah!
It smells like...
They're corn nuts though, right? Yeah, they're corn nuts.
Okay.
It smells like...
They taste like corn nuts.
It smells like a story by the
Corn nuts.
hay.
They're corn nuts.
Corn nuts?
Yeah.
It smells like a farm related thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, where are the corn nuts?
If you keep eating them, they taste like chicken to me if you keep eating them. Do they?
They taste... They're soft though, softer than corn nuts.
Hey, nuts. Chocolate. Cheeto thingy.
Are you sure they're chocolate?
It's just caramel chocolate.
Let me see, let me open it.
I have trouble opening the other one too. They're good.
Ah, ¿verdad?
Wait, how much?
You gonna pop it.
Alright.
Cheater! That's always the easy way.
We're gonna take it forever. Okay, guys.
Whoa, what? That looks like a doo-doo.
Okay, grab a piece. Ready,
Man, find your crap.
set, go. It tastes like chocolate
Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs. No, mine. Your favorite.
They're
No.
good actually.
Oh my god.
They're good.
They're very good.
Why are they full of crap?
Put these in a cereal bowl, and I'll have that every
Oh
morning.
my god, yes.
They're like, dude, they're good. Hyper time. But why not?
Hyper time.
No, hyper time. Why is
I
this
love these. I love these. Trust me.
Huh?
Trust me. Trust me.
Cocoa Puffs? Oh my god, they're so freaking good. Chip form.
Cocoa Puff chips. Oh my god.
No chocolate.
Caramel chocolate.
I don't know that.
These are really good. And for these, Wangchangdu. It's a honey dip snack, so it probably just tastes like honey. Like churro again.
Like churro again.
They smell like churro.
I've tasted those before.
It tastes like churro.
Yeah, churro. They're sweet, I think.
Botana mojada en miel.
Okay. Now this is what it's supposed to look like. And I have to. It's hot.
Are you supposed
Wait,
to
what
eat
is it
hot?
though? Let me see.
Oh, that's taro. Ginkgo nuts with taro.
What are ginkgo nuts though?
Nuts.
I smell the taro, but it smells hot. It's weird hot.
I don't know if you can see,
It's
but
like, it smells
that's what
like
it looks like.
oatmeal.
Yeah.
It's mousse. Very hot mousse.
Are you sure it's cooked?
Yeah. It's I did to the highest minutes. Oh, look, is that rice?
Yes.
I'll pretend to swirl it.
Are you supposed to swirl it?
Man, get the bird.
You were supposed to make a small holes
I
on the
did.
plastic. Okay. Shake tray
I did.
gently.
I did.
Remove the cover. Serve
did.
hot.
I did.
Cooking time may vary based on model and weight.
Yeah, well, it's really hot. I'm gonna burn it if I keep going at it. So, yeah, the consistency.
It looks weird.
It looks like porridge.
Salud.
Okay.
Let's show it to the.
So, here, top.
Hot.
Burning.
Hold on. Whoa, stop. I don't know if you can see it.
Looks like juice.
Alright, what are we all supposed to eat from the same spoon?
Yeah.
No,
Why?
because at the same time. We can do it at the same time.
There you go. I got this one.
Really?
Yep, that's
Really?
fine with me. Wait, what's the big one?
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Alright.
Yep. Ready? Get the spoon.
I get the man spoon.
Ready?
Ready?
Set.
Wait, it's hot.
Wait.
It don't smell tasty.
No, it doesn't.
It smells like
Go.
oatmeal.
Me sugar.
I didn't get a good taste.
It tastes like oatmeal without sugar.
It's really good.
It's like not too sweet. It's pretty good actually. If you like oatmeal stuff, it's not sweet.
It
It's just
doesn't
like,
taste that bad. But it reminds me of like,
arroz con leche.
the mix you do to make a piñata.
Engrudo.
Huh?
Engrudo.
What's that?
It's like flour.
Boiled water and flour.
Yeah.
Glue.
There you go. It tastes like
eating-
flour and water. Boiled.
It
tastes pretty
smells
good.
like it too.
Yeah, there you go. I've never tasted this before.
Doesn't
I'll
taste
just
that
have
bad
my
though.
big ass block of chocolate.
I'll just have.
Yeah, so basically, not bad.
Alright, reactions.
Reactions, you mean ratings?
Ratings. How much do you thumbs up or thumbs down for these? How are these?
I like them.
How about this?
Really?
How about these?
Yeah. And durian? I threw out the package. And my garage stinks.
Alright guys. I think that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it.
We'll
Hope
upload
you
more
enjoyed her
soon.
reactions. Anyway, hope you like, share, and subscribe. And
That's it. Till next
that's it.
time.
Till next time. Bye.
Later. Bottom. That one. Yeah.